fucking pieces came back and hit.
Let me zoom out. Okay, we're gonna have to do it another. We're gonna do it again.
Why?
Because I got 2 Mountain Dew cans.
It's luckily I put 2 bullets in here.
Alright, the other one.
Fucking awesome. Okay, so I did what neither of us thought it would do. See that video?
Oh, I'm still recording.
Oh.
It's all you.
Oh, I guess I'll show you guys the install here. Oh. I don't got a knife, so I've been just kind of trying to rip this can open.
Tell everybody what this is called.
Well, originally I thought it was like kind of be like a silencer, but that was a terrible fucking idea.
Sorry about the shaking. It's cold.
And then just jam it on there. Okay.
I'm gonna get back. Hold on a second. Actually, make it a little closer. Okay, you're good to go.
1, 2, 3.
That one exploded.
They keep flying back at me. Keep getting hit with pieces of aluminum. You see all the pieces.
Let's see the damage of this one. Okay.